Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick side bun hairstyle. To start, we're going to part the hair in a side parting, and we're going to take the side with the most hair and just take this down to just behind the ear, so probably about 1/3 of all the hair, and we're just going to make a small ponytail using a clear elastic band at the bottom left hand side of the hairline. Next, gather the remaining hair and twist it towards the head whilst also bringing it over to that ponytail. Once you reach the ponytail, wrap it around so it goes behind, and then we're going to secure everything together with another clear elastic band. Apply a little texture spray. I'll pop the one I use in the description box below, and then we're just going to pinch and pull at the hair around the crown, and also we're going to slip a bobby pin through that twist just to keep it secure to the head. Pinch and pull at the hair around the twist and around the front of the hairline so it's nice and messy. Next, taking that ponytail, we're simply going to split it in half and just wrap the sections around each other all the way to the bottom, and then secure it with another clear elastic band. Take that twist and then just bring it up and wrap it around itself so you create a simple bun. Hold it to the head and then just secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Add a little texture spray and pinch and pull at all the little loops and twists of that bun just to make it nice and voluminous, and then set everything in place with a little bit of hairspray. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.